Let's look at oxidation numbers. So the first we have to notice that group 1 and group 2 have +1 and +2 cations, and group 5, group 6, group 7 will have -3, -2, -1 anions. So it's easier to look at as a number line. So the element sitting on 0 oxidation number and losing electrons will be having +1, +2, +3, +4 and so on. So that's losing electrons. Leo losing electrons is oxidation. Now you can also consider the gaining electrons. That's GER, gaining electron is reduction. That means you're gaining every time 1 electron, so you're getting oxidation numbers going from -1, -2, -3. So it doesn't have to be really 0 to minus side. You can go from +5 to +4. That's a reduction, right? So you can stop the video and give it a try. So that's a good way to visualize it. Let's do some calculations. So FeCl3, osmium tetroxide, and FeCl2. So how we do it? First, there is no charge on this compound, so it's Fe plus 3 times -1 based on the Cl is a -1. So Fe -3, that means Fe is a +3, right? So osmium tetroxide, no charge on the species, so it's 0. Osmium plus 4 times -2, osmium -2, that's osmium 8, right? And so the ion Cl2 is the similar way, no charge, so you add the -2, Fe is +2. So if you remember iron 3 chloride, iron 2 chloride, that's how you actually get it. Okay, now let's look at the charged ones. MnO4-, Cr2O72-, SO42-. So here the charge is -1, Mn plus 4 times -2, Mn -8 -1, so that means Mn is +1. So here charge is -2, Cr2 plus 7 times -2, you can get to Cr is +6. So SO42 minus charge, and then S -8, S must be then 6+. So again, stop the video and try to do the math. So it should be a simple math. So this is the organic compound, CO2, CH4 and carbonate. So CO2 has no charge, but C plus 2 times -2 for the oxygen 2. C -4 means C is a +4. CH4, hydrogen has +1, so therefore C plus 4, that means C is -4. This is the full range carbon can have, +4 to -4. So the carbonate will be calculated into +4, that means it's fully oxidized. So that's for few carbons. Now the other ones are like unusual ones you might see, H2O2, K2O, calcium oxide. So the calcium oxide will come to calcium is a 2+, no need to calculate actually. K2O also oxygen is -2, K is +1, no need to calculate, right? You could prove it though, no need to. So H2O2, hydrogen is +1 times 2, oxygen we don't know. So charge is 0, so therefore oxygen should be -2 divided by 2, that's a -1. So this is also called the peroxide. You see the oxide means -2. But the K and calcium, no need to calculate because we know K is +1, calcium is +2. Now look at this specific one, KO2. So K is a +1, oxygen we don't know, there's no charge, so it's called the superoxide.